After a long time in the national capital, Delhi's BJP office completely decked and decorated. There are banners, there are flags. That's Delhi mein Bhajpa Sarkar. This is the Delhi BJP office. Remember, there's a separate BJP headquarters in Delhi. This is the Delhi BJP unit. And because of the victory that has come to them after 27 years, they're ensuring no stone is left unturned. And I can tell you, I've been to this office, which has often looked desolate as well. When the Aam Aadmi Party era was on, Congress era was on, BJP's office was definitely never this decorated for sure. But this is their moment. They have put in all the veteran faces from Delhi BJP, from the national leadership. This is where possibly some celebration is also going to be on. Posters and banners have been used to decorate the office. Piyush Mishra has sent us a ground report from Delhi BJP office. Let's take a look at that.
After securing a huge mandate in Delhi, BJP is now finally going to have its government in the national capital. Today, BJP has called for the meeting of its all MLAs, and in the evening, the name of next Chief Minister will also be decided. Right now, I'm present at Delhi BJP headquarters, where you can see a huge poster also, which has been pasted, on which it is written, भाजपा विधायक दल की बैठक में सभी नवनिर्वाचित विधायकों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन. So it reads that BJP welcomes all newly elected MLAs. Now let us also show you the visuals from right outside the Delhi BJP office, and the preparations those have been done. You can see how flags and banners, a lot of flags and banners have been put up at the entry gate. There's a special enclosure for media persons. Media today is not allowed inside the BJP headquarters as a crucial meeting to take place. Special tent has been erected for media. At the entry gate, it is written Delhi mein Bhajpa Sarkar, and for getting this day, and also to see this day, BJP has done a lot. After 27 years, BJP is going to form the government in the state. Let us also go inside and show you how the preparations have been done inside the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters, where this crucial meeting will take place. You can see how there are a lot of posters, banners, flags of BJP. Those have been put up here. There are big cutouts of PM Narendra Modi, also Home Minister Amit Shah, and also BJP's National President JP Nadda. Those have been put up here. So today, when MLAs will enter inside this headquarter, they will first go directly to that place. Let me also try to show you the visuals of that area also, where this important meeting will take place at 7 p.m. today. Before that, all preparations have been done by the Bharatiya Janata Party. What we are learning is that observers will come, senior leaders will also be the part of this important meeting, and for that there is a special place which has also been designated by the BJP where all 48 MLAs will come, and this is the same place where today it will be decided who is going to be the next Chief Minister of Delhi. With video journalist Nasir, I am Piyush Mishra in Delhi for India Today.